Friends, today we're going to see how to make homemade coconut milk. It's easy and simple, and you can get fresh coconut milk and you always can use for many dishes. Welcome to the channel. Food is a God gift. This is your channel. It's a variety of a global cuisine. We love to make all type of dishes in detail and just for you, friends. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and click that red button and the bell button to get everyday notification new recipes. Friends, you need a 1 brown coconut, 2 cup hot water. Friends, that's it. So to buy coconut, pick the brown coconut, nice outside, round and not have any different discoloration, and you need to shake it and listen like the water sound. That's for find a good coconut. So once I get it, I just break the coconut. That's how we break the coconut. And look at the flesh is so soft and white. So now I just pour it hot water inside the coconut pieces. So let it soak for 10 minutes. Once it's done, we're going to blend it to nice puree. So now I just place all that soaked coconut pieces inside the blender. So we're going to blend to nice paste. It no need to be fine paste, it's just to be kosher. We're going to extract all that coconut milk. So we're going to take that and just run it through, and we get like a kosher texture. Now I'm going to add the soaking coconut water. Now it's done, friends. This is the good. So we're going to strain it out. Friend, we go for the first milk. We get about 1 cup coconut cream. It's so thick, and look at that, it's so creamy and thick. So for coconut cream, you can always make a yogurt or butter or so many way of use for the coconut cream. This is the second milk. So friend, let's see different. Look at this, so thick and cream. You always can use for the coffee. And the second milk, look at this, even second milk is also so thick because only reason you use the hot water for the soaking the coconut pieces. So I'm showing how to store this all the coconut milk in the freezer. Take the 1 ice cube tray and pour it, and we can freeze it. After freeze it, we can put it inside the ziploc, and you always can take it and use it whenever you want. It's good for 6 months. So friend, I hope you beneficial from this video, that we can make homemade coconut no time, only you need a coconut. Thank you for watching. Before you leave, please subscribe our channel for more new videos. Thank you.